Hello, this is Coach Etzel from Ride Academy, and we're here at the Moto World headquarters in Libis, Quezon City. We're very happy because Moto World will be supporting our team, which is the Ride Academy Moto Town Adventure Team, for the upcoming FJ Moto Mountain Cross 2025. Okay, so pakilala ko lang yung mga team members natin para ma-meet ninyo sila. Sila yung mga kasama natin sa upcoming event. Pakilala ko lang yung boss namin.
Boss talaga.
Ito pala si Halley. Alright, so Halley, what bike will you be riding?
I'll be riding the Husqvarna Norden 901.
Okay, the Husqvarna. Alright, Norden. What things are you looking forward to sa event natin?
Well, number one, matapos siya.
O nga naman, ano?
It's a very challenging event, so it's about the preparedness. You'll never be ready for it naman, but you do your best to be prepared.
Yeah, alright. Are you excited or nervous sa event?
Both. Nag-alternate lang na.
Alright. What bike preparation gave you the hardest time?
Bike preparation that gave me the hardest time. Packing.
Packing, ayun.
So you want to cover all the bases. Pero again, weight is the enemy. So you need to balance again kung alin lang talaga yung kailangan mo for the days. Tsaka alam mo naman hindi siya luxury trip eh.
Alright,
so maraming pagkatiis na kailangan gawin. But you need to be choiceful kung anong ilalagay mo. Kasi I set a budget. Ito lang yung volume, not more than 30 pounds. So kailangan choiceful kasi lalagay mo.
Right. Alright, so this is Halley and we'll see more of him on the road. Thank you, Halley.
Yes, ride safe.
Alright. Ito pala si Jonal. Jonal, ano yung bike na gagamitin mo?
Planning to use BMW GS 850.
Yun, BMW GS 850. Alright. What are you looking forward to sa event natin?
Siyempre, yung experience, first time ko sa FJ Moto, trail, yung mga sceneries sa mga bundok, ayan. So, yun, nakaka-excite kasi masaya to. Kasi, ibang experience to compare dun sa road. Kumbaga, yung bundok, unpredictable yung mga routes. And yun, kasama yung Ride Academy team. So, team siya, so masaya. Kasi may kasama ka talaga na magra-ride. So, ayun.
Alam ko sa inyo, si Wax.
Hello.
Okay, so Wax, what bike will you be riding?
I'm riding 450 CF Moto MT.
Alright, the CF Moto 450 MT.
Yes.
And anong klaseng training ginawa mo to prepare for this event?
Puro off-road. Puro almost all kinds of terrain na pwedeng puntahan doon. Putik, gravel, and kulang na lang sand. Walang
Tara,
sand eh.
punta tayo sa beach.
Doon tayo sa Dakar.
Sa Nakar.
Dakar.
Oh, yun. Alright, so are you excited or nervous?
Both.
Both. Alright.
It's my first time din sa ganitong event, ang endurance, tapos off-road. I only started off-roading this year. Last year.
Alright.
Almost 1 year.
Alright.
So, with the team.
Oh, parang teamwork din, teamwork.
Teamwork gives confidence.
Right, may taga-bike lift.
Yeah.
Ayan. Alright, so yan si Wax. Thank you, Wax, and we'll see you.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Pala si Gerald. Yan, isa sa mga boss din natin. Ayan.
Morning po.
So, excited ka ba sa upcoming event or ninenervyos ka?
Nervous, excited kasi first time sumali. Nagulat na lang ako, naka-register na pala ako kasama sa team ng Ride Academy. And thank you to Moto World sa sponsors ng mga gears namin and to iPhone.
Ayan, Coach. iPhone ba yan?
iPhone
iPhone.
iPhone daw yun.
Akala ko may kasama iPhone.
Akala ko iPhone pero
Ipon. Oh, yun.
Mga lubes.
Oil.
Motorcycle.
Yun. And then what bike will you be riding?
Bristol Venturi 500.
Okay, anong tingin mo sa Bristol Venturi 500, Jet?
Napaka-friendly, magaan, perfect for beginner, at reliable bike, especially for off-road. Yun.
Alright. So, yan si Je. We'll see more of him on the road. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Coach.
Okay.
That's it.
Thank you. Guys, meron tayong bagong member ng Avengers. May mga, ano yan, superpowers yan.
May pampalit pa lang dyan, no?
Oh, yeah.
Pampalit lang dyan.
Ano yan?
Di makita yung beer belly.
Corset.
Ako nga pala si Edsel and I'm one of the team members of the Ride Academy Mototown Adventure Team or RAMTAT. Sa akin naman tong experience for FJ Moto Mountain Cross 2025 is very exciting. I've never prepared, I guess I say this for all of us, for all team members, we've never prepared so meticulously for a particular event as much as this particular event. So that's kind of a good thing kasi yung awareness ng isang rider sa motorcycle medyo nadadagdagan kasi kailangan maintindihan yung motor. Maintindihan ko rin kahit paano yung motor ng teammate ko in case merong particular situation na mangyari. For example, river crossing tapos ma-hydrolock yung bike or mag-crash yung bike and ma-damage, let's say, yung levers or yung mga shifters or pedal. So may mga dala kami na mga ganon, even up to yung clutch lining and the fluids and the spare cables may dala. So hindi ito yung ride na tipong sige tara ride tayo next week, diba? Tapos kung ano yung kinalalagyan ng motor, yun na yun. So yung FJ event requires meticulous preparation from the riders and I guess the team takes that seriously. We even rode last time with full luggages on para alam namin yung feeling of riding our bikes fully laden with our tents, our gears, the fluids, the spare parts, the tools, everything. So, yun. On a personal side naman, ako naman gusto ko yung event dahil being able to experience going to places, scenic places with breathtaking views using a motorcycle is really parang a source of joy for me. And if we can share this with other riders, of course we share this in our team. If we can share this with other riders as well, aspiring riders who want to get to experience that, I think yun yung for me okay, diba? Okay na maibabahagi namin sa community. So, it doesn't end sa event. It actually starts sa event. And so, yun lang guys. Gusto ko lang ipakilala yung mga team members natin at to give you a little glimpse of yung preparation na ginawa. But we hope na magkaroon pa kami ng isa pang video before yung actual FJ event. Para mapakita namin yung mga motor namin and yung mga preparations na ginawa. So yun lang for now guys. Thanks for watching.